Hi everyone, this is Jean-Remy Duboc from duboc.me. Today I'd like to show you a very interesting software called Selenium. It's a software that you can use to do operations on a website and record all the operations you do, and then Selenium replace them over and over again very fast, so you can test the interactions in the website you are building and testing. So it's basically testing the interactions that are happening on the website automatically. So let me show you how this works. There are several versions of Selenium. So if you go on seleniumhq.org/download, you've got all these versions. The versions we're going to try today is the Selenium IDE, which is actually a Firefox extension. So you need to have Firefox to make it work. And so if you click on download, you're going to have the classic message of Firefox saying, well, this wants to install software on your computer. That's what happens when a Firefox extension needs to be installed. So you can click on allow, download again, and make it and install it. So it's your classic Firefox extension installation process. So once you've done this, I've done it earlier. So if you go to Tools and you've got a Selenium IDE menu, and so this is how it looks like. You've got your base URL, so that's where your web operation is going to start, and then you've got all the commands, all the things that you are doing on the website, which are described, which will be described in this table. So let's see how it works. The way it works is that you click on record over here on the right, and you do your operations, you fill forms, you click on buttons, etc., etc. And Selenium records all that, and then it's all described on the table, and you can replay it as many times as you want. So the base URL, the web address I want to start from is google.co.uk. It can be google.com, it can be whatever address you need to test. And so I start from google.uk, here I am, and okay, let's start doing a few operations, record them in Selenium and see how it works. So I click on record, and I'm going to type the word e-learning, for instance, and I'm going to click on Google search, and I'm looking at the searches, and then I'm just going to click on a link that seems interesting, the e-learning center. So I found an interesting website, and these are my little interactions. And so I just click again on record, and you see my operations recorded on Selenium. And so now all I have to do to redo everything I just did is just to click either play entire test suite, so I have my test here, or just play the current test, because at the moment I only have one test to do. So you can add all sorts of different tests here on the left. So let's try this, and let's try it slow. You can also have a look at the speed of the test. So let's try it slow to see how it works. So I just click on here, and as you can see, I go on Google, I type e-learning, and I click on the e-learning center. So Selenium just redid what the interaction I did earlier. This is very practical because you gain a lot of time by automating all of this. You can use this to test websites, but you can also use this to automate putting your password and login in different websites. You can have all kinds of things that you do routinely happening much faster using this system. So I recommend you try it, and tell me what you think.